is very heavy. When I hold it out this far, it is difficult to hold it up. It's a tube. I like that. So this is the trick to using a selfie stick and not seeing the stick. This is cool, but it's not that cool. And so you get to see the wobble. Well, that's a lot of vibration. Hey, it's Natalie, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about selfie sticks. And the reason I'm talking about selfie sticks is because if you want to make money on YouTube, if you want to have a YouTube channel, it's going to be highly beneficial for you to make videos that people want to watch, interesting videos. And to do this, you don't have to be all theatrical, but it does help to be able to shoot at different angles, with different backdrops, doing different things. And one way that it makes it easier to do this is if you have different equipment. So the thing that I am shooting this video on is a tripod. I like using a tripod. I'm going to take it off and show you, because a tripod holds still, you know. It stays right here where it is. So here's my tripod, and I'm sitting here on the floor, and now you're seeing the junk that's behind me, but this is the tripod, and so it can come up to different heights. It can go really, really tall, or it can go fairly short, not too short. I have other equipment if I want to go shorter, like for example, I have this small tripod if I want to go. I mean, this can be used as a monopod. I can hold this, or it can be quite a short tripod. So if I'm shooting a video and I'm like sitting at my desk, then I might use this, because the other tripod might not get as low as I want it to go. Okay, so that's this. But what we're talking about today is the selfie stick. So what is a selfie stick? A selfie stick is a stick that you can hold in one hand. You can hold it out farther than you could hold your phone. So I can only hold my phone out this far. I can hold the selfie stick out a lot farther to get a photo of myself. And selfie sticks are extendable. So look how far this one extends. That's incredible. I don't even know how many feet that is. That's a lot of feet. That is a long extension. So right now I've got an old cell phone on here. So this is cool. It's very heavy. When I hold it out this far, it is difficult to hold it up. I'm using a lot of strength on my arms. And one of the cool things that this selfie stick has is it has a remote that can either be here, you can leave it right on here and push the button, or you can remove it and use it in your hand. Now, I haven't actually, okay, there it is. So I can click it in my hand. So this is cool, but it's not that cool. I have like 3 or 4 different remotes. Remotes are very inexpensive. It's cool that it attaches to this, but that's not a game changer, because there's a fatal flaw with this tripod, and maybe you've already seen it. See this wobble? I'm not doing this. I'm just holding it up and it is flopping over. And this wobble even happens when I'm holding it up straight. So this thing is no good. So the brand of this is called FuloView. I do not recommend it. And this is the first one that I bought. So, but let me tell you a couple other things about selfie sticks. So selfie sticks need to have an adjustment so that you can, I tightened it really tight. There we go. Okay, they need to have an adjustment so that you can change the angle of your phone on it. And this is a good one. This one's good. So that's great. In the old original selfie sticks, they were just a stick and an angle, and they were lightweight, and they did not have a remote, and they certainly could not be turned. How do you get this out of here? Okay, so this is another reason why I don't like this thing. It has a tripod. I have opened it before. I can't figure out how to open it now. There it goes. Okay, it requires pounding it on the ground. Okay, so here's the point that I wanted to make. The fact that this one can be both a tripod and a selfie stick means that it is heavy because it has to have a lot more apparatus to it. So it means it's heavy to hold. And the fact that it goes out, how many feet was that? I don't care anything about that. Okay, so there's the FuloView. Now, I bought another one when I saw that the FuloView was totally defective and it wobbled. And so I bought this thing called the Magic PPE aluminum selfie stick. Look how little this is. This is very light. Okay, so this is interesting. It's a tube. I like that. I'm going to push a button and out comes that, which appears to be, let's see if there's directions. It looks like, oh, I pull this off of the bottom. Okay, now this thing must be the way you, oh, there we go. Okay. All right, so this is very firm. Okay, small holder for the phone. Let's put this old one in here and see how it works. Fits. Okay, now it doesn't seem that there is any way to actually tighten this. Is there a wobble? There is a small wobble. There definitely is a wobble. Can you tell? There's a little wobble, but it's not enough to bother me, okay? And this one also has a remote. Of course, it won't work with this phone. This phone's long dead. But this phone goes out this far. This selfie stick goes out this far. I think that's plenty far enough. I like the weight of this. I like the simplicity of it. I do not need my selfie stick to also be a tripod. I think that's the problem with this one. It's trying to do too many things at once. So, my suggestion is that you have at least two things. A good sized tripod and a selfie stick, or a good sized tripod and a small tripod, or what I have, all three. I have a big tripod, a tiny tripod, and this selfie stick. And this is what I'm taking with me when I take the second overnight voyage I'm taking with my Honda Element Poppy, leaving on Monday. Today is Saturday, just getting ready. So, actually, I'm going to put that phone on this selfie stick. Why don't I put it on both of them? Okay, so here's a video shooting with the original selfie stick, the FuloView, and so you get to see the wobble. Well, that's a lot of vibration. And let me get it shorter so I can actually handle the phone because I want this more of an angle. So now, if I have it at enough of an angle, you can't see the stick. So this is the trick to using a selfie stick and not seeing the stick is you need to be, the phone needs to be angled up. If it's angled down far enough, now you're going to see the stick. And so that's the trick. Okay, so here's the wobble. Here's the wobbly one. Not good. All right, and here is the second selfie stick. This one, you know, there's a little bit of wobble that is caused by me having the microphone dangling off because it's actually like it shakes and it causes this to shake a bit. And so here we go. And so you cannot see the stick. And if I have the phone down far enough, you will be able to see the selfie stick. So this is why you want to have the phone. You just want to have the angle up far enough that you can move your phone around and you don't see the selfie stick. Okay, there you go. I hope this video has been helpful, because if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, or if you want to make money on YouTube, or if you want to shoot videos for your business. Oh, this is a blinking light. There's a blinking light going on here. I'm going to push it. Nothing happened. Okay, anyway, if you want to make money for your business, then it's really important that you learn how to shoot videos and you have equipment so that you can do it easily. So I really like this small aluminum one. It is lightweight. There is very little wobble. It's easy to hold. It will come out plenty long enough. I can do that with it plenty long enough. It would be great for hiking. So if this video has been helpful to you and you'd like to see more videos on monetizing your YouTube channel or making money on the road as a nomad, or even making money from home, because the ways that you can make money online on the road are the same as the ways you can make money from home. Anyway, if you'd like to see more of that kind of thing, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more and more videos all the time. And thank you so much for watching. This is Natalie, signing off. And remember, your next adventure is just down the road, and I hope to see you there.